Welcome everyone to the Kobo Toolbox tutorial. This is an ultimate course for Kobo Toolbox. We will create a forum and also we will deploy that to the server, and then we will access that through mobile and how to use that. Okay, first of all, the Kobo Toolbox, which is developed by Harvard. The Kobo Toolbox is just a suite tools for field data collection for use in challenging environment. This is used to collect the data from fields. For example, you are going somewhere and you would like to access the data, collect the data. Before we were using the paper, but nowadays we are using the digital tools. The Kobo Toolbox is a very good tool that we can use to create survey forms and collect data. The best feature is that we can use it without internet. It means that we can collect data without internet, and whenever we connect it to the internet, so then we can send data to the server. So let's come here to the Kobo Toolbox. First of all, open Kobo Toolbox website. After coming to the Kobo Toolbox website, you should create your account. Okay, in account, it wants your name, your details. Just enter your details. After that, create your account. So after creating that account, log into the system. I have already created account. I will log into the system now to the website, Kobo Toolbox website. So let's wait to move to the login page. Yeah, I have my credentials, username and password, and let's press the login button to log into the Kobo Toolbox website. My internet connection is very slow, I think. So you will face with this interface. Okay, these are my created project that I have deployed, but whenever you come for the first time, so these two will not exist. Okay, it means that you will just a plain user interface like this. So first of all, you need to create your survey, questionnaire or forum that you want to collect the data. So let's press the new button. Okay, we would like to create a new. So here you have 4 fields: build from scratch, use a template, use an XLS form, import an XLS form via URL. So this is mostly we are using from scratch, but this is a template. You already have a template, you want to upload that. Here XLS form. Okay, XLS form is just an Excel form. In Excel form you have 3 sheets. In those 3 sheets you define the name, the questions, okay, the answers, and if there is drop in down and select one, whatever is that. So it means that you are writing a simple code for just implementing in Excel file. So after that you are uploading that. Even you can upload XLS form through URL also. So we will just go from this option. Okay, build from scratch. So after pressing that, here you will assign the project name. For example, this is testing project. Okay, here insert testing for YouTube video, and here sector, in which sector you are working, select that. For example, let's select humanitarian. Just copy like humanitarian one. Okay, and here the country, which country you want to work, like whatever is your country, so you can select that. For example, here select someone like whatever is that. Okay, just select your country. Create project. Yeah, press create project button. So let's wait for it. Yeah, it's loading. So this is a plane. Okay, that we have the name of our project, and here we will start, okay, creating our forum, questionnaire, whatever you want. So just by pressing this plus button, look at this plus button. So let's press this plus button. So here I want, for example, what is your name? For example, this is the first question. Okay, this, oh sorry, this is, let's add a question. First of all, we need to add a question. Okay, press this button, add a question. So what is this question about? For example, this is just a text. Okay, select this text and insert what is your name. So this is the first question, that we will have a field there respondent can insert his name. So let's select this plus button again and select a question. For example, this is select one, so he can select his gender. So select here, I will select one. It means that there will be a list, so he can select just one. So the question is, let's edit the question, which is your gender, for example. Okay, and here the first option, which is male, the second one female. So that is done. Okay, let's now insert the this press this plus button. So here you can just change these also, for example male to female. Again add question, for example he want to insert his skill, so here we will select money. So here let's add check your skills, like the first one is Excel, for example, Word, MS Word, and add another one which is like Access. So he can just check uh, these are the skills, just list the skills, so he can select 1 through 2 3 or all of them. Let's select again that and add a question. So you have a lot of options. Okay, like look at decimal, you can decimal point, it means location. You can even extract the location, line or link, area, calculate, external XML, select money, date, photo, note, rating, hidden, text, time, audio, barcode, questionnaire file. These are all things you can do. Okay, you can just he can insert all these things. For example you can even select photo, it will live take a photo also, but this one will be for like let's for the point. Okay, so he can select the point, record your location. So that is the question. Okay, record your location. So that's okay, we have these fields in our forum. So now let's just check how it looks like. Press this live button. Okay, preview forum. So it will just check you. Okay, just show you the forum that you have been created. Look at, so it will looks like the name of your project, what's your name. So here you can insert the name, gender, check your skills. So here even you can just select your location wherever you are, so it will select that. So you can select your location wherever you are. Then you can press the validate button. So it was all about this. Okay, so after doing this, now let's deploy it. Okay, so let's save it, press the save button. So that has been successfully saved. So let's go back to the, so here we have testing project. Okay, it is not deployed right now, so let's deploy it. Okay, come here to the testing again. So this is the summary, and come here to the forum. So here you will see the forum. So here you can press the deploy button to deploy this. So let's deploy it. Even you can edit it, preview it, and you can just apply other operation also. One thing is that we should keep in mind that whenever we deploy it, okay, so here down collect data. So here just come here and select this drop down menu, and here we will select Android application. Look at, we will select this Android application. After selecting that, so it says first of all install Kobo Toolbox, Kobocollect app on Android. After that select these three dots and insert this URL. After that insert your username and password, get blank and enter the data. So let's do it. Okay, for the Android application I have installed BlueStack, where we can access the Android applications. So whenever you install Kobo Toolbox, Kobocollect on your Android mobile, so you will see face with an interface like this. So here you can just configure with QR code or manually enter the project detail. So I will insert manually the data. So the first thing is URL. So let's copy this URL. Okay, this URL. So insert the URL here. Here your username, and here you should insert your password. So I will insert the password. So after inserting the password, press this add button. So okay, after adding that, so look at, you will see this interface. So here you can just have this start new forum, drafts, ready to send, download forum, delete forum. So let's press the download forum. Okay, what happens? So let's come here to the download forum. So it is loading the server, connecting to the server. Okay, so here we have three. Okay, we have three deployed files forums. So I will uncheck these two. I would like to just download the testing one. Okay, check that and press get download. So it will download that one. Okay, the file has been downloaded successfully. So whenever you downloaded the file, and now we would like to just insert it. Okay, it means that we want to insert the data to the in that forum. So just come here and press this button, start new forum. So after pressing that, come here to the testing one. Okay, select that one. So here, look at, first of all, we paste with the first one question, which was what is your name, for example, Yusuf. Let's insert that and press this next button down. Okay, press next button, gender male, press next button. Check your skills, like these are my skills, press next button. So get point. Okay, so here you can set, just get the point. I will just deny it, okay, right now. So you can just by pressing this, so it will just take the exact location wherever you are. Press next, and after that finalize it. Okay, or you can save as draft or finalize it. So that has been finalized. It means, look at ready to send. It means there is one record which is ready to be sent. So now let's send. Okay, whenever you collect all the data, for example, you want to just take the data of second respondent. Also, again press this, again insert the data. Okay, the detail of the second respondent. I get point, next, and finalize it. So we have two records to send it. Okay, so let's now send these records. Okay, ready to send. So whenever you are connected with that, so we have two records. Okay, select both of them. Okay, because we have interviewed with the two respondents. So send selected data. So it will send these two records. Whenever you are collecting data, you don't need to have the internet connection. Even if you don't have internet connection, so you can collect the data. So whenever you collect the data, connect it again with internet and just submit it to the server again. So we have successfully submitted our two records. Come here to this testing one. Okay, come here to the data. Okay, so here let's refresh the data. Let's refresh that. Okay, so we will have that data that we have submitted from Android application here on the data tab. Look at, we have these two records. Okay, these two records have been received. Now you want to download. Okay, to download this data, come here to the downloads. So after coming to the download, we want to just select the export. Okay, we want to just, these are the export types that you have. We will select the XLS, it means Excel. So here the label, value and header format. Label are XML. So okay, just label, and here come here to the advanced option, which fields you want to just extract. Okay, from that itself, select this one. So we don't need start, end, column, and just we need what is your name question, what is your gender, check your skills, record your current location. We don't need ID, we don't need submission time, we don't need these columns. Okay, these are just extra columns which are attached with our data. So that's it. Okay, now let's export it. So after exporting it, look at down, we have this the file is ready, so just download that. So that has been downloaded. So let's open it. Okay, let's open this one. So we have these two records. Look at user pipe, mail, Excel, Word. These are the data that we have. So here we have check uh, your skills 1 0. So if you don't need this 1 and 0, so instead of that you need to just change these fields. Okay, whenever you want, for example, to receive the data like male and female, like here, just come here, check your skills. Yeah, this is for these. Okay, for the Excel and Word 1 1, but for the third one, which was drop down, we have 0. Okay, it is just for that mail, nothing else. Okay, if you don't want these, so you can just delete these columns also. Even these, you can delete all these columns. So yeah, it was all about the Kobo Toolbox, how to create and how to deploy it and how to download it. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, you can uncheck these fields also. Okay, like include fields from all versions, these things, just check the settings.